Extensive renovation work was needed to transform a dated, multi-level interior in Queenstown into this sophisticated home in harmony with its stunning alpine backdrop. The original kitchen sat on a restrictive raised pedestal, so the designer first successfully navigated complex subfloor plumbing to level the footprint to create a singular, expansive social hub. Another significant architectural challenge involved the original mismatched window heights. This was resolved by strategically closing up one while designing the layout so that key functional zones still received maximum sunlight from the remaining north-facing window. To optimize the space for frequent entertaining, the layout was then completely reimagined. The aesthetic centerpiece is the large Sensor Black Beauty granite island, which incorporates the sink, cooking zone, and casual seating. Hand-picked and in a leathered finish, the stone was sourced globally to replicate the rugged Greywacke rock and snowy crevices of the Remarkables mountain range visible through the glass. Meanwhile, a pocket door cabinet on the side wall allows for small appliances to be hidden away, and the coffee station and wine fridge have been positioned close by for easy access. For the TIDA judges, the impressive nature of this kitchen design comes not only from the drama of what can be seen, but also the wide-ranging detailed work behind the scenes that made it all possible. Congratulations to Damian of German Kitchens, winner of the 2026 TIDA New Zealand Imported Kitchen of the Year.
Our awards are proudly brought to you with the support of our sponsors, Resine and Altus Window Systems, and in association with trendsproperty.com. Whether you're renovating, preparing for sale, buying or building, Trends Property, along with your free My Trends Property account, is where you can find your place, your way. And don't miss the Trends Property Insight Series podcast, featuring expert guests from across the property and design industry. Visit today at trendsproperty.com. Our awards are powered by ADJ Systems, bringing you the latest in AI agents, automated workflows, and digital infrastructure. Because remember, AI won't replace your business, but a business using AI might replace yours. To learn more, visit adjsystems.com. These awards are proudly produced by Adjacent Communications. For all your business strategy and communication production needs, visit adjacentcommunications.com. For more information about all our award winners, visit trendsideas.com. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you again next time for the Trends International Design Awards.